So we have a small family. We have 4 kids.
Bisman is our oldest daughter, and we have 2 more daughters and a son.
I feel like my sister is like a second mom to me, and she just takes me places like everywhere. We go eat together as siblings, and she really pays for everything, so it's nice.
Bisman is a complete...
That's a complete package. She's exactly like her dad.
I think it was like a safety blanket. I always had someone to like fall into, and she's really protective. I feel I have mixed feelings about this wedding because I'm gonna be sad seeing her gone, but I'm also happy because I know she's gonna bring in a lot of joy in her new family, and she's only 10 minutes away from me, so I can just like drive to her.
So Bisman is getting married, and we are very fortunate that Keshav is also a very talented boy.
It's been 3 years that me and Bisman are together, and we never expected that this is going to happen, but here we are today. I feel very happy, excited, and a little bit nervous as well. We both feel very lucky and been waiting for this moment. We are looking together for a brighter future and a happy family.
My life is fully dependent upon her. When my daughter will not be with me, how will I do everything? I needed her in every phase of my life. I know he will keep her happy. My daughter will be very happy with Keshav.
We do not have any doubt of her joy. That's what I ought to say as a father.